I have 100 subscribers. What the
truth.
Hey guys, it's Jenny. Just wanted to make this quick video to just thank you guys for subscribing to me. 100 subscribers means so much to me. It means the world. For others, it's just like, you know, whatever. It's just a little tiny bit of subscribers. But for me, it's a lot. It's amazing. I just want to thank the community. You guys have been so supportive to me. And I just enjoy making videos so much. It's crazy to think that just last week I posted my Where Have I Been video and I only had 20 subscribers. And then now I have 114. Like, that is crazy. It makes me so incredibly happy, you guys. You guys have no idea. And I have so much more in store for you guys. And you know, let's just keep being friends. Let's keep supporting each other. And if you're just a viewer, thank you so much. You guys just don't know. This means so much to me because I've been wanting to make videos for the longest. I've just put it off for too long. And now that I introduced it to my life, I am so happy. I'm always looking forward to what the next video is. I'm looking forward to, you know, just posting videos and interacting with you guys. It's so amazing. It's so much fun. And for those of you that still haven't started your videos or started your channel, just do it, you guys. Just Nike, just do it. And I am a seal. Just kidding. No, but seriously, you guys have made me so happy. You guys have no idea. And if you guys have any more ideas or requests of what you want me to do, please comment below, or in any video, just let me know what you want me to do for you guys. And just like any other video, if you guys like my content or you guys like me, please subscribe and press on the notification bell in order for you guys to keep on watching more of my videos. Thank you so much. I am so happy, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!